In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block websites on Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is a great method if you want to stay focused, limit distracting sites, or set up basic browsing control on your computer. We'll do it using a Firefox extension so you can quickly add websites you want to block without needing any complicated setup. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer and make sure you're connected to the internet. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-line menu icon. This opens the main Firefox menu. From here, select Extensions and Themes. That will take you to the Add-Ons Manager where you can manage and install browser extensions. Now that you're in the Extensions area, click on Extensions if it isn't already selected. This is where you can search for new tools that add extra features to Firefox. In the search box, type Website Blocker, then press Enter. Firefox will show you a list of matching extensions. Look for the extension named Website Blocker and click on it to open its details page. On the extension page, you'll see the option to add it to Firefox. Click Add to Firefox. Firefox will then display a permissions prompt asking you to confirm the installation. This is normal, because the extension needs access in order to block websites properly. Click Add again to continue. After that, Firefox may ask you to confirm one more time, so click Add if prompted. Once the extension is installed, it should open the setup screen. Here, you'll be able to enter the website you want to block. Type in the website address carefully, making sure it's spelled correctly. For example, if you want to block a distracting site, enter the full domain name into the field provided. After entering the website, click Add. The website will now be added to your block list. You can repeat the same process if you want to block more sites. Just enter each website one at a time and click Add again. This makes it easy to build your own custom block list right inside Firefox. If you ever want to remove or change a blocked site later, you can go back into the extension settings and edit the list there. That gives you full control over what gets blocked and what stays accessible. And that's it, you've now learned how to block websites on Firefox using a simple extension. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and a really useful way to stay focused while browsing. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.